Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, let's explore this Chinese character. At first glance, it looks very simple. It's pronounced
人
and it means person or human being. When combined with other characters, it forms many useful words, like these.
人类
Means humans, human beings.
人群
Means crowd, group of people.
别人
Means other people, someone else. All of these meanings are connected to the core idea of person. Now let's take a look at how this character has evolved over time. In Oracle Bone script, the ancient form of Chinese writing, it was drawn like this. Doesn't it look like a standing person? Later, it changed into a bent figure. Then it looked like someone crouching with hands and feet on the ground. And finally, it became the modern shape we see today. Kind of like a person taking a big step forward.
人
Is what we call a single component character. It's made up of just two strokes. Look familiar? Yes, the left falling stroke and the right falling stroke we learned earlier. One high, one low. Together, they form the character. Even though it looks simple, when writing this character, we still follow the stroke order. Right from left to right. Now here's a little secret. Many simple characters can transform into radicals and combine with other parts to form more complex characters.
人
Has two common radical forms. On the left side, it looks like this. On the top, it looks like this, kind of like a little hat on top. You've just learned the character.
人
Can you guess the meaning of new words that include this character?